2 weeks ago, I prepared my garage floor, which the previous owner had applied a home center grade epoxy. It was not an attractive installation, although it did have a good bond to the concrete. I rented a buffer and buffed it repeatedly with 60 grit paper, followed by 36 grit paper. This cleaned it well and removed some loose chips and took down some high spots, but it did not really rough the epoxy since the epoxy was very hard. 10 days ago, following the recommendations from ArmorGarage, I cleaned the old epoxy with a dilute solution of concrete etch, followed by neutralizing it with TSP. I rinsed it and dried it. I then rolled on a coat of the special primer over the old epoxy. I let the special primer dry for a day and a half. 8 days ago, I did the armor chip epoxy installation that I let cure for 1 day. 7 days ago, I rolled on forklift grade top coat. Tomorrow, which will be exactly 8 days after the top coat, I'm going to have a steel tornado storm shelter installed in this garage. They will be rolling a 3,700 pound tornado shelter on pallet jacks over this new floor. They will roll it across the floor to the back corner of the garage, where it will be bolted in place. This will certainly be a test of my ArmorGarage armor chip installation. I will update you on how the floor handles this installation of a 3,700 pound storm shelter tomorrow.
Hang on, come on a little bit. I go real slow. You clear? Yeah. All right, good. Am I clear at the doors? Yep. All right. Hey, where are we?